Hello everyone, it's Öztop. Now I will present you my project. To start with the concept, I try to deal with the functions of the surrounding buildings and the movement of the people connected to it. First of all, I examined the movements of people on the seaside and the Mithatpaşa street. These acted together with functions. Then I followed the greenfield trails. I tried to apply them to sites with the main pedestrian axis and the side axis. First of all, I determined my pedestrian entrances and divided the functions into certain zones, according to the movement in the site emerged. I combined them with the green spaces. Then I added the program. Here exploded diagram, bubble diagram, and the matrix diagram are seen. I tried to create a commercial axis on the Anadolu apartment side of the ground floor. Here I added functions such as cafe, restaurant, gift shop, and etc. I left the middle part completely empty and tried to design shady semi-open spaces where people could spend time. The upper floor of this area can be reached by a ramp from Mithatpaşa Street. I wanted this part to work like an axis and a backyard that will be in continuous use. I reserved the other side for my theater building and combine my two masses with this semi-open space. I integrate the semi-open space on the ground floor into the theater with the wall system that can be opened. The axis from the Goethe building and Anadolu apartment building is a linear axis. At the end of the side, a square is formed by green traces, and with these traces it reached the courtyard I mentioned before. Here is my mass diagram. We see the process of the program together with the urban spaces and the final state it has taken. Here too there are site plans and sections. When we come to the ground floor plan, the theater position like this. By entering the foyer from here, we can reach the +2 level with these stairs. And the seating areas at the 0 level thanks to this hall. Here the stage, and right after it's located backstage. In the backstage there are star rooms, a dressing room for men and women, and a storage. The transformable part of the theater consists of according doors. Thanks to the according doors located next to the stage direction can be turned to the inner courtyard. In this way, outdoor activities can also be carried out. Its renders can be seen here. In the other block, there is a cafe, restaurant, a gift shop, and an administrative unit. Displays serve more daily use. The ramp in front of the cafe take us to 5 level plus 5 level. Thanks to this platform, we have semi-open areas in the courtyard. Two main gaps allow people to gather in this courtyard, spend time here, and keep this place alive. When we go to the next floor, we come across functions such as a technical room, a catwalk, a storage, a machine room in the theater section. On the other side, there are cafe, library, and workshop areas. The platform coming from Mithatpaşa Street forms a raised square in the middle. Units at +5 level can reach here directly. It is envisaged that various exhibitions will take place here and that people will use it in daily life. The library and the workshop were created for the use of children in the surrounding schools. It tries to be a complex, not only for the theater audience, but mostly fed by its neighbors. The basement floor is reserved for car parking. Here two functions such as mechanical room, storage, electric panels are located. These are sections. Section A passes through the middle of the theater. Here you can see the foyer, the seating areas, stage and backstage, and car park. Section B passes through the other block. Here is the cafe, the library, the workshop areas. On the ground floor, the gift shop, the administration, and the basement. Here is the car park. The section C passes through the junction of two. Here is the 1 to 100 scale section, and a perspective view of that section. In the elevations facing the courtyard, steel columns, wooden shadow elements, and glass facade welcome us. On the other side, glass facade, deep walls, wooden shadow elements, and composite panels are used. Here are some renders from various angles. Here the elevated courtyard, and the part where the stage turns out can be seen. This is the front of the theater. In this part, views from the ramp and the gap can be seen. That's all. Thanks for the listening.